Today's video is a continuation of our motivational phrases or Bible verses or affirmations. So we won't go over the design process because it's a very simple process. It's just picking a shape, picking a text, and sending it to laser. That's it. So let's go to laser. Since we always use sample acrylics or leftover pieces of acrylics, I just decided I would take different color combinations and then I would cut according to what I thought suited the base color of the acrylic. The next process is just to put the pieces together. I used spray adhesive on the ones that had brown cover because it would protect the acrylic itself after weeding the brown cover off. But then, as you can see with the green acrylic, because I didn't have the brown cover on top, it was a clear cover because there are different types of acrylics. I think it's the manufacturers. So it had clear plastic cover on top, and last time I did try to cut over the plastic and weed it off, but it doesn't make much of a difference. So I decided, since it's a sample, I didn't have any plastic cover on top, I would just kiss cut as usual, and then this time instead of using spray adhesive, I would just use normal adhesive, and it worked well. And there you have it, guys. The project done and dusted. I hope you enjoyed the process. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and to like and share with your friends and family. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye bye.